Hi, Anna Maria here at Hippocrates Health Institute. And today we're going to make a SouthWest vegan chili. It's very simple. I use pinto beans and kidney beans. And my favorite is pinto beans, so I use double amount. So I have 2 cups of that to 1 cup of kidney beans. Pinto beans are loaded with minerals and potassium, sodium. It has folate, it has protein, great protein. So does kidney beans. And you know, these beans are staple in many countries. In Mexico, Central America, of course. And so the spices that we use for chili is very much used there too. We have the cumin that we're gonna add a little bit. Of course you can always add, so I add that. Then we have chipotle, and that is, this is loaded. This is the hot, spicy pepper, and that has loads of something called capsicum. Capsicum is amazing to help your blood pressure, help you with circulation. So that is actually smoke dried, so that has that nice smoked taste. Then I put chili, and we might want to add more. Then I'm going to chop some garlic into here. So I just chop it really fine. And I like garlic in anything. So the beans I soaked and sprouted and cooked. So these are actually cooked. Everything else in here is going to be raw, as much as it can be. And so I chopped the garlic really fine. And we put that in here too. And then I chop the onion. I call it the French way because you make really small pieces like this. And we'll take that. Now, so I can make this chili either in the food processor or with a potato masher. Probably your mom in the old days made mashed potatoes with this thing. Well, I like to show that because what if I'm camping? What if we're doing something fun this summer? I don't have all the machines, but I probably have a little stove where I can cook my beans. Well, I use a little bit of sesame oil. I get organic sesame oil to make this creamier. And here we go. So now you can mash this. And so there's so many ways you can use this and have fun with this. You can put it into some organic sprouted tortillas, and you can just eat it like it is, or make a soup, of course, like a lot of people make chili, and put also other vegetables. And hopefully you know that plant-based is the way to go. So I just mash this until it's nice and creamy. When you have it the way you want it, of course, you better taste it and make sure that this is the way you want it. Probably a little more of the chipotle. A little more of sesame oil. I used the water. I used a lot of the water that they've been cooking in, so that I have minerals from that too. Okay, so now when you have the consistency that you like, now we'll put it on a plate. And of course you can add many other things to this. I like to add cilantro to the side because, boy, it fits so well with this. And maybe you want some slices of lemon to that. So here's your chili. And you have the beans that you soaked and sprouted, and it's great dish, great for your body, great for your brain. and everybody enjoys this, I would say, unless they don't enjoy hot spicy food. So why did hot spicy food even come about? I think that it came about as a digestion aid. You have the cumin, you have the chipotle, you have the chili, and obviously it really had a reason. It's loaded with vitamin C, and it opens capillaries, gets your circulation going, great for heart and brain, great for your digestive tract. So, you know, beans are a great source of protein and helps in so many ways because they're loaded with fiber. So I hope you enjoy this. And this plate, you know, to me, I love pinto beans, kidney. The only beans we don't use, unless you brought up on these beans, are black beans and soybeans. All the other beans are there for you to enjoy. Bon appetit.